Welcome to a very special marketing opportunity. Golf. It's a great game. It can be defined as a sport which integrates business connections with athletic activity perhaps better than any other. As a sponsoring business, it's also your best opportunity to help build awareness and demand for your product and services to a wide market. Golf tournaments are typically promoted months ahead of time and can last up to 3 days from start to finish. That's a lot of branding and promotion for your company as one of our sponsors. In addition, the viewing audience sees your company as actively giving back to their community. We'd like to invite you to contact us about a sponsor opening we have for our tournament. We look forward to hearing from you.